Hello kids. Let's learn 20 amazing letters of letter N. Can you say them with me? Let's go. It is something you wear on neck. What is this? Necklace. Can you say it? Necklace. N is for necklace. They are used to fix things in wood. What is this? Nails. Can you say it? Nails. N is for nails. It is a bird that sings. What is this? Nightingale. Can you say it? Nightingale. N is for nightingale. It is a body part on your face. What is this? Nose. Can you say it? Nose. N is for nose. What is this? Noodles. Can you say it? Noodles. N is for noodles. It is a sea animal. What is this? Narwhal. Can you say it? Narwhal. N is for narwhal. It is used to clean nails. What is this? Nail cutter. Can you say it? Nail cutter. N is for nail cutter. It is something we sleep at night. What is this? Night. Can you say it? Night. N is for night. It is a person who takes care of sick people. What is this? Nurse. Can you say it? Nurse. N is for nurse. It is used for counting. What is this? Numbers. Can you say it? Numbers. N is for numbers. It is used to catch fish or insects. What is this? Net. Can you say it? Net. N is for net. It is used for writing in a pen. What is this? Nib. Can you say it? Nib. N is for nib. It is a number after 8. What is this? 9. Can you say it? 9. N is for 9. It is something we read. What is this? Newspaper. Can you say it? Newspaper. N is for newspaper. It is used in school. What is this? Notebook. Can you say it? Notebook. N is for notebook. It is a bird's home. What is this? Nest. Can you say it? Nest. N is for nest. It is used in knitting. What is this? Needle. Can you say it? Needle. N is for needle. It is a sweet fruit. What is this? Nectarine. Can you say it? Nectarine. N is for nectarine. It is used to join things together. What is this? Nut bolt. Can you say it? Nut bolt. N is for nut bolt. It is used to join things. What is this? Nail. Can you say it? Nail. N is for nail. Great job! You learned so many new words today. Want to learn more fun words? Subscribe our channel for next video on in letter O.